Hello and welcome back to today's morning report on Wednesday the 12th of November with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Handtech Markets. Let's move on to euro dollar now, and the euro had started to engage in a little bit of a rebound yesterday, but yesterday afternoon we saw that the euro rate started to pick up, but once again it just looks like it's fallen over, and that fall over has happened around the $1.25 mark. And that $1.25 will go back on the daily chart, pretty much coincides with these key lows that we saw back in October. So the old support becoming new resistance, and it certainly seems that's the case. Now, this sort of $1.25 area also marks the start of a period, a sequence of lower highs that we've got through the last week or so: 25.09, 25.33, and 25.77. And to be honest, a rebound wouldn't really be a serious rebound unless it broke above that 25.77 mark, because that is the latest key reaction high, and a key reaction high is basically defined by a move that rebounds to make a new high, and then subsequently the price makes a new low, and that new low is key, because obviously you've got this in this 25.09 high here. You haven't got a new low in the trading period, but at the moment the key resistance is 25.77. So you need to bear that in mind. Anyway, so 25.09 is the initial resistance that you can be watching out for, but certainly I think at the moment the euro is backed away from that in the early European trading session, and it's just sort of losing a little bit of that upside momentum. If you look at the hourly RSI, it sort of once again got towards 70 and backed away. So it just looks like it's a little bit neutral in the very near term over the last few days, you could argue, because the RSI has not really moved overbought or oversold. So it's more of a sort of a rangy period, and that sort of is reflective of the price in the last couple of days. But still, I think on a medium-term basis, you've got to bear in mind that pretty much across the board, the daily chart shows you negative indicators, falling highs, lower lows, momentum indicators in bearish configuration, just pretty much selling into any strength. So I think subsequently anything back towards 125 will be seen as a chance to sell on the euro, and I think that is where the key resistance starts to come in. So I think we will be getting a retest subsequently of yesterday's low, likely at 23.93, but I think 23.57 is that reaction low that we saw on Friday the 7th, which was non-farm payrolls Friday. I think that will be tested in due course. Anyway, I wish you good luck in your trading on the euro today, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.